Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Google Play Store not opening. For example, if you open the Google Play Store and Google Play Store stuck on this screen, then how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Play Store. After closing the Play Store, what you have to do, you have to simply open the settings of your mobile. After opening the settings, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll down and you have to check for apps, or after that you have to simply click on the manage apps. In manage apps, what you have to do, you have to simply search for Google Play Store here. After you find Google Play Store, then here what you have to do, you have to simply click on data usage and storage, and you have to simply click on the clear cache. Here what you have to do, you have to simply clear cache and clear all of your data from the Play Store app. After clearing the cache, you can check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can go for the clear all data, but make sure that it will clear all your accounts in Play Store. So before doing this, you have to make sure that after doing this, you have to apply the next trick, which is as you have to check whether you have a strong internet connection, which means if you are using any kind of Wi-Fi, it is working properly or not. If you are using data connection, you have to also check that it is working properly or not, which means it has latest 4G connection or not. After doing all the things, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. So after doing this trick, what you have to do is next you have to simply press and hold the Play Store and you have to click on app info. After that, you have to simply click on the force stop. After that, clicking on the force stop, you have to close the all apps of your mobile, and you have to again click on Play Store and check whether the problem has solved or not. In this way, you can check all the tricks one by one and any of one will work for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.